Welcome to Help Screen. And if you are having problems with your Android device, like freezing or stopping or being unresponsive, first thing, I'm going to show you multiple solutions, so follow along. First solution is just simply restart your device. So just simply hold the power button onto your phone for around 30 seconds until the phone automatically shuts off. And after that, it will be restarting. Or what you could try to do is just simply hold the button for around 5 seconds and you should be able to see a pop-up like this and just simply select the restart icon. Another reason why your phone is freezing, the reason why maybe you have a lot of application into your device. So just simply consider uninstalling some application and just simply hold them and tap on uninstall and tap on OK and just simply delete some application into your device to free up some space. And also you could delete some videos. The videos are typically uses high storage, so keep that in mind to delete some videos and photos as well. Another option is by going to your settings. So tap on the gear icon on the top right on the notification panel, or just simply go to your settings. Now, this solution is updating your Android. So just simply scroll down a little bit on these settings and tap on software update over here. And after that, you will have here download and install. Tap on it. And from here, when your phone have an update, you should be able to download it over here and make sure you are running the latest version of your software on your Android so you won't have any issue. Now, guys, if you're still experiencing some error into your phone, what you could try to do is just simply go to your settings. And now just simply scroll down at the bottom and you should be able to see here general management. And from here, you should be able to see reset and tap on factory data reset. So guys, this is the last resort that you have, but remember that this will erase everything into your phone, including your videos, photos, your contacts, everything. So it will reset the phone and it will be like a new phone when you reset the phone and tap on reset down below in order to proceed and select delete all to proceed, and you should have a new phone and you should be able to fix the issue. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.